Hello, valued viewers. Still working on the body of this, the Graflex camera here. Last time we left you, we were kind of concerned about the front. It took a long time to scrape off all the old leather, all the old adhesive, and then sand down the corrosion. I wasn't sure that this plastic faux leather here would work, and it seems to work not so bad. Had heated up with a heat gun and kind of molded it onto the center spot here. And there's maybe a little adhesion problems, but I think it'll be fine. Looks great. I couldn't go around the corners like the original leather, so I'll probably just paint that portion black with some black paint, just so it kind of looks good. Now, moving on to this right here, I've opened up the Rangefinder, and it was just as probably bad as I expected it. Full of corrosion. When I first opened it up, one of the mirrors came off, and not that it's really useful anyway. The silver on it is corroded, so it doesn't really reflect too much. A lot of aluminum corrosion, some rust, and if you can see the inside here, it's corroded as well and rust as well. Kind of trying to decide if I'm going to keep this on here or not. The only thing that is really hopeful here is when I move the lever arm here, it does seem to move freely, so that might mean that it could be kind of salvaged, but I think I'm just going to remove it altogether. It'll make for a little bit cleaner look to it, and it will never be the same. It will never really be able to be used again, since adjusting this after cleaning it off would be fool's errand, I think. So we're probably going to take that off, so I'll do that, and then get working on the rear pieces, and then finally move along to the lens and the lens board. And after that, kind of put it all together and take some test photos. So, stand by.